get a session? This is a very special building, and we are incredibly honored to have the penthouse of this prestigious building. And to InnoSpace and Rail Levitt, thank you very much for allowing the Sessions brand to have this amazing space. This location is not only proof that we are surviving, we are leading the industry and expanding.
This part of Cape Town, when we first bought the building, many people said to us, it's a really dead part of Cape Town. This has changed. And this part of Cape Town is booming. We're right here at the waterfront. We're next to the convention center. And I think this is a vote of confidence in our city. A place like this, a place of entertainment, a place where really dreams can be fulfilled, where people can be connected, where people can have a great time, is a critical part of our city. And welcome to Exchange and welcome to Cape Town. Thank you.
Thank you.